Before you can start any hand embroidery project, you will have to frame your fabric in the hoop. Get the piece of fabric big enough for framing. For this demonstration, I will use a friction pen to draw the pattern. You will also need a screwdriver to manage the tension of the screw. I will mark the lines that show horizontal and vertical weaving of the fabric. This will help us align the fabric and avoid distortion. When the pattern is ready, take your hoop and separate the parts. Place the inner hoop under the fabric, center your design in the middle, and then place the outer hoop on top. Tighten the screw a little bit. Here's the result to avoid: a loose fabric and distorted design. We will have to fix this. To adjust the tension of the fabric, move around and slightly pull the fabric from all the sides. Be careful not to distort the image as you do that. If the image is distorted, move around and pull slightly more from the sides that you need to adjust. It is important to pull more from the horizontal and vertical sides and less from diagonal ones. Check the tension and the sound that your hoop makes. It has to sound like a little drum. Tighten your screw with a screwdriver and pull the fabric a little bit more to reach the desired tension.